Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Builder George, and today I got another entertaining video, and it's actually something cool that I really wanted, and I finally found it for a good price. It is the Escalade roof rack. So I already went ahead and unscrewed this because it's pretty linear. You're gonna need the star bit. T25 is the number that is being used. And there is multiple screw points. Each point holds 2, center holds 1, and 2 more right here. Let me climb up and show you guys. This is already unbolted just to accelerate the process. So as you guys can see right here, 1, 2, and where these holes are gonna be screwed. Yes, I'm gonna be cleaning them. And yes, I already have it. So I think I might have gotten lucky with this, as the color for my mirror or the roof rack caps are my color. Shockingly, they look like it, I guess. Yeah, they do actually. So I got pretty lucky. Those are the screws right here that I took off. I just collected them. I have the screws for the caps in here, safely kept away. And also, let me show you guys the roof rack. So the roof rack is right here. I just have it placed. I'm gonna detail it a little bit, clean up the chrome before I mount it up there. I only paid a whopping $100 for this, and honestly, it was well worth it. eBay is asking for $250. That's excluding tax and shipping, and I only got it for $100 flat. I call that a win in my scenario. So it's, from what I've understood, pretty simple. It's a swap, exactly how it's supposed to be. All holes are mounted the same way, from what I've understood. So it's just a matter of just picking it up and slowly taking it off without scratching the paint. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, this is George from the future. So you guys can see that the video right here is about to go into slow-mo mode, but I have a comparison video. As you guys can see them side by side. They're not almost the same exact size, as you got some form of compensation when it comes to the Escalade caps. But if you guys are just using them for styling purposes, I really wouldn't even put the rails on them. Here you go. I'm showing you guys how to untighten it so you guys can adjust it. And then I'm going to transition over to the other roof rack and pop it open. When it comes to ease, obviously the stock one seems to be the easier one. But of course, if we all want our rigs to look dazzling and amazing, then obviously the Escalade part is more preferable with the application. Overall, at the very end of the video, you guys are going to see the end result. And of course, thank you guys for watching. I just thought I would clarify what's going on. I spoke a lot more in detail, but the video was recorded about 9 months ago, and you guys in a sooner video are going to find out why I have not posted in 9 months. And of course, in the middle of a video, thank you guys for helping me reach 600 subscribers. Without you guys, none of this would be possible, and none of you guys would motivate me as much as you guys do if you guys did not appear into these videos. Nonetheless, thank you everybody, and let's get on with the video. So, I already went ahead and screwed the bin. Now, it's not like your usual video that I usually do, where I show you guys each and every step. But, if you guys can see, 1, 2, screwed in, tightly secured. Now, you can transition these, of course. Now, I don't know what, probably this is going to buff out, hopefully. Let's hope it can buff out. Doesn't look like it, but anyway. 1, 2. Same exact thing right on those two, right over there, 1, 2, and then this should be held and secured. Then I'll whip out the color matched, what they seem to be color matched caps, place the caps, and then we'll take an end look on the results. Ladies and gentlemen, and that is the final finished product. It looked amazing on my car, and I couldn't complain. Everybody gave me compliments inside of the town that I live in, and it really made the car stand out. Nonetheless, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope this was informative, as this video seemed a little bit rushed and it wasn't finished. I just thought I would post my knowledge that I've gathered from this project to you guys and try to assist you guys as best as I can. Moving forward, I am going to have a little bit more content now that I came back. Nonetheless, y'all take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching the video, and if you guys haven't subbed already, go ahead and drop a sub and comment away. I'm more than happy to answer all of your guys' comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.